Welcome back, guys. Today we are doing the Panther Point Trail, which is it connects up with the Marshall Hampton Reserve that we did a while back. So we are down here. The Marshall Hampton Reserve we did a video on a while back is up here. I believe it's like 8 miles or something to get to it. But here, it's an electronic gate to get through it. So we'll proceed on. And looks like we have to cross over the dam here, which the waterway going to the left goes into Lake Hancock. Okay, here's the water. I don't know what the name of this waterway is. Oh my god. I don't think the camera's picking it up. This entire section is all those armored catfish. I see some other big ones. I see some Florida gar. That's crazy. I've never seen that many of the armored catfish in one spot. Of course, that's obviously an invasive species here in Florida, so it's kind of surprising. Bow Island, you got a lot of the black vultures down there. That's interesting. Let's walk across to see what else we have. Let's look on this side. Like I said, right now we'd be looking towards Lake Hancock. Okay, he's looking at this side of the dam. Not bad. Little security camera. So we'll definitely be on the lookout for more eagles today, since it's their time of the year. Climb up this little hill here real quick, and we'll see what's at the top. Okay, we've made it to the top of this little knoll. I'm not sure how much of this I'm actually going to do today, but we'll see. Some kind of sign up here. It's pretty today, nice and cool. After the cold front that came through last night really dropped the temp down. Let's see. Focus on that. If you guys want to read this more, just pause the video and you guys can read it. Alright, we'll continue on. We've went a little ways since I talked last. It's kind of just wide open, quiet. You got a highway over to our left a little ways. That over there looks to be kind of a marsh habitat. Tell by looking at the grass that it is. So we're just working our way up towards Lake Hancock. I'm not sure how much of it we'll be able to see, but we'll try anyway, since we're already in the area. Who knows, maybe we'll find something good. I think y'all can see it. There's a good sized lake over there. I'm not sure what the name of that particular lake is. It's got a lot of birds in it though. That's really pretty. We're coming up on Lake Hancock now. I can see a little bit of it. It's kind of interesting. It doesn't feel like we are, because we're kind of up higher than everything else. And this body of water sits quite a bit further up than what Lake Hancock is over here, which I find kind of interesting. Well, we're just a bit further. You can see Circle B way out in the distance. Up on that far shore, that's Lake Hancock, obviously. I don't think we can get down too close to it. I got this little body of water here. I did spot one alligator in the distance. So if I looked at this, this goes quite a ways too. I mean, it goes clear back in there. Kinds of birds. In fact, there's one gator. I'm sure there's a lot more. And they could be traversing up this hillside down to the other lake here. Yeah, we're quite a bit up this hill. There's a lot of elevation differences between these two. Been a little while since I've talked to you guys last. It's actually getting really windy. But we're just looking at this little lake here. I'll tell you one thing, there's some monster-sized gators in this pond. I've seen easily some 13, 14 footers in this thing. Just I haven't really been able to get a good clear photo of them if I could see them through the brush. And I was having to try to back out on the zoom camera just to get them all in the frame. Yeah, there's some big ones in this place. So if you are walking on this, kind of keep your eyes peeled off to this side, because you'll probably see some big ones. Actually, it's kind of surprised me, the size of them. We've come up on another pumping station of some kind. So we're gonna really look around here, see what we can see. There's Lake Hancock over there. We'll walk down there here in a minute. We'll pop down these little side trails here. Down in the water, see if we can find a big gator or two. I keep seeing them, but I don't know if we're going to get one close enough to the edge for the GoPro to see it. But we'll definitely be careful walking down here. The wind's really picked up. Yeah, just knowing right here in front of us, there's a lot of 13, 14 footers out in this water. Kind of interesting and scary at the same time. Kind of ease down here a little bit. And there's a big head of one out there, at least quite a ways off. So I see birds like crazy coming down, catching some fish. Must be some good eating out of here. So let's walk down this side. Actually, a little bit of blacktop, which is nice. Little bird. So we're starting to walk down to the water's edge. I know Lake Hancock has a lot of big gators and fish in it. They always have. Let's see here. Okay. What we got here? Nice water's edge. Nice little inlet. Then going out into the main lake. Who knows what's out there? Let's go over here, see if there's anything noteworthy. Besides the dragonflies, they're all hanging right here. Of course, anything like these kind of rocks, gotta watch out for the snakes. And we've made it back to the parking lot slash boat ramp area and the dam. It's a big osprey up on top of that light pole. Peek around here again real quick. See if there's anything else around. There's that osprey. And there he goes. He didn't like us coming up to him. I'll have to check. I'm not sure if you can fish here or not. Looks like it'd be a good spot to. The amount of fish that's in this water, and especially the amount of those armored catfish that are in here. I said there's a ton of them. There's a couple hundred down there easily. I think there's a couple turtles. Of course, you got that little strip of land over there. It's all covered with birds. All right, that'll do it for today. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you haven't yet, give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see y'all next week.